Hi there. Today, we'll be unboxing and taking a closer look at this gorgeous solar motion sensor lantern. Now, first things first, the box itself is very clean and modern, with key features displayed right on the outside. Now, inside the box, here's what you get: a customer satisfaction card, a user manual, screw packet, and the light itself. And let's take a closer look at these items. The user manual. It's not just a flimsy leaflet, it's very detailed. It walks you through installation steps, charging information, battery and bulb changes, all vital stuff you need to know. The customer satisfaction card is such a nice touch. The packet of screws and wall plugs is everything you need for mounting. And now, the lantern itself. But wait! Hidden inside the lantern is a little surprise box, and inside the box, you get the bulb. Seriously, it looks so cool. And now, here's the main star: the lantern itself. Sleek, stylish. You flip it around, and on the back, you've got a slide switch. Power on, power off, and dim, all clearly labeled. On the very top, you've got the solar panel. And right on the front is the motion sensor. The three sides are completely see-through. So when the bulb is installed and glowing, you get this beautiful warm look. Right there is the socket ready for the bulb. Let's screw it in, and just like that, it's all set. Alright, so now for installation. Pretend this piece of wood is my wall. I measured and marked 90 mm spacing. Popped in my own screws, and honestly, the measurements were spot on. Then it's as simple as aligning the lantern and letting it drop in place. Click, done. Now, the moment of truth. Let's turn this thing on. I've turned off all the lights to simulate nighttime, and wow, soft, warm, but still bright enough to light up your porch, pad, or patio. This lantern is such a winner. Thanks for hanging out with me, and see you in the next one. Bye.